Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to save app image or your stuff or your template as PNG on Photopea website. So all you need to do first of all is just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course here in my case I'm actually using Brave browser, but of course in your case you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. So of course when you open your browser, just go here to the URL section, type photopea.com and hit the enter button. That will certainly take you into this page, and from here you can actually like create a new project, open some from your computer. You can use some of their PSD templates, or you can just drop your file here and start working on it. For me, I'm just going to click here at new projects, and I'm going to choose a simple template from here, and I'm going to wait until it loads correctly. Once it's loaded, you'll find here your full template, and here you'll find the components of this template. So of course you can like actually start editing on your template, move the text, or I don't know, edit it, change the color, do whatever you want. Of course you have several like tutorials on this channel on how to do a lot of stuff if you want if you want to go and check them out. And of course, like if you make something and you regret your choice, you want to go back, just go and hit the Control Z. Of course, if you hit it so many times, you'll go back to the original template. Of course, let's say an example, you finished your work and that's the final work for you. Or maybe let's just, yeah, move this here, move this here, and move this here. Let's say an example, that's your final uh, work or template. So of course, if you want to save it as PNG, it's simple. You'll need just to go here to this option right here, or this icon, and just click on it once. And as you can see here, we will have an option to save it as a PNG or CFG or SFG. For me, I'm just going to click at PNG, and then they will tell me where I want to actually download it. For me, I'm just going to choose a folder here called download and click at save. And as you can see, it started downloading, and now it's downloaded as a PNG. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.